Good afternoon. It's another beautiful day in the Philippines. And here's my little doggy come to meet me. Hello. Hello. Ada. Ada, good boy. He's looking a lot better now, aren't you? Not looking so bony. So, we're on day whatever of the lockdown and things are still pretty much the same. We can't go anywhere, we can't do anything as such. All the businesses around here, apart from the odd sari-sari store, is still closed. But the place that does the tyre repair and the welding's open. The odd cars are around. There seems a few more people, rather, should I say, walking around today. So I'm going looking for my wifey. This is Mel's sister. Hello. Hello. So let's have a look in the shopping. We still haven't got any rice. Money, where's the rice?
What, rice?
Rice. No rice?
Rice?
Yeah.
No rice.
Alright. There you go then. No rice. Got a melon though. I shared my melon the other day. Obviously I'm not sharing theirs. Let's have a look what's going off around here. Ooh, the big cockerel. That's going to make somebody a nice dinner very soon. I can hear noise, I can hear kids. What's happening? Wow! Whoa! What's happening? What's happening? So who's done this then, Mel? Who's done this then, Mel? Yeah.
Me and then my brother. Kelly. Because it's very hot, we cannot able to go out to swimming.
This is a bit of relief, isn't it, for the kids?
Yeah. Look, Sophia, you don't want to go home. Sophia!
She's drinking the water. She's drinking the water.
Yeah?
Yeah. Watch her because she's drinking it.
Sophia, say hi!
Hi.
Hi! Let's go home. Go.
But why's she got a bruise on her other cheek?
Because other day, she bumped to the wall. In the window.
Alright, yeah. She's got on her right cheek, she's got like a vein in her face that's always black and blue. And it's something that happens apparently with some kids. They have it. Hello. Hello. Are you having a good time?
Hi.
Are you having a good time?
Shower.
Oh, shower. Mind your business.
Say hi. Hi.
Now, all these are family, right? Before people start getting crazy and getting blocked, these are family.
There's no kids outside. Family.
Yeah. and I have permission
But he wants to slide, look.
to take video.
Oh, go there. Yeah, look, Sophia, look. But he wants to slide.
He wants to slide. Alright. Oh, that was a good slide. So where we are now is obviously the other piece of land next to Mel's mum's shop, and it's the landlord, and this used to be all green if you remember, and they've concreted it and put a wall up. I mean, they're supposed to be doing like a little market in here from what I was told, but if you look at the wall, I don't even think the walls are straight. Could be wrong, but they don't look that straight.
No, they have a few kids here, they're gonna Borador, it's kite.
They're going to do the kite.
Yeah.
Yeah, but with the high walls, how are they going to do kite in here?
Climb in there.
Isn't it dangerous standing on the roof?
It's not.
It's not. Well, it's quite windy if the kite's any good.
Later afternoon, it's gonna be windy.
How do you know?
That's what they always do during afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Mateo, say hi.
So that's what they decided to do to get the kids cooled down. And as you can see from the shops, they're all closed, apart from the gas place at the end. But they have, I don't know how they do it, because they actually take gas bottles out to customers unless they've got special permission. Well, there's people talking to me on the live stream saying, "Oh, you're so lucky, Chris. I wish we'd got locked down in the Philippines instead of here." It's the 20th of April, and we've not had any word that the lockdown's going to be extended, but there's plenty of time yet. I mean, there's another 10 days in this month, isn't there? So Mel says, oh, before we got told we're going to be locked down another 30 days, long before the 20th, meaning last month. I mean, they could tell you a few hours before the end of the month, couldn't they, really? It doesn't really matter. That, you see, water delivery. See, they're allowing water to be delivered. That's new. So why isn't this water place open? They've got rice in there, and they're not opening the doors. I'm sure they're going to kill the rice with the heat. Them electric vehicles make them laugh.
Some other people ask where we buy that.
Who's asking? There's nobody here.
From Holland, my sister sent that to us, the kids.
So, when do you think the lockdown will finish then, Ma?
On the 30th.
30th of this month it will finish?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's what they're saying. I asked my dad, how's the you think it's gonna be extended? And he said, maybe it's not. It's gonna be, because here in Naga there's no positive anymore.
Well, there was only about 8, weren't they? One died, allegedly.
Because it's more positive than Manila, but here in Naga, maybe it's gonna be. You think?
I think it will be extended.
Like in Manila, maybe there, but here, I think no. That's what my dad said. Just Manila.
So, are you going in now?
My brother is gonna make for the adult.
Yeah.
I know.
And will you be wearing your bikini?
No.
Why?
If you're gonna give me 5,000, yeah, I'm gonna wear bikini.
5,000 pesos. Oh, you come cheap, don't you? So we were supposed to be doing a video of the upstairs today, guys, but
We decided tomorrow.
yeah, we'll do it tomorrow now.
After this.
So you see, obviously you've seen this video, so this is the one we've done.
Yeah, after this, guys, you're gonna see the
Top floor.
yeah.
And how different it is now to how it used to be. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye! Say bye!
Bye. Say bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah.